In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Coinbase. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase application. Then go to the top left and select on these three bars just like so. Then go ahead and select on Account and Settings. From here, it will now give you the option to actually add a payment method. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press add a payment method. And from here, we guys have the option to actually link our bank account, a debit card, a wire transfer, or even use a gift card as well. But for this video, let's go ahead and actually add a bank account. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then let's go ahead and press on continue like so. Now, Coinbase is going to open up a platform called Plaid. Plaid is a reliable platform that will allow you to connect your bank account to Coinbase. So once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue and then enter in your phone number. And once you're done with that, it is now going to give you a list of all the available banks on Coinbase. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just look for your bank. But if you aren't able to find your bank, do not worry, because all you need to do is go to the search bar and then just look for your bank. So let's just say for this video, we wanted to use Chime. We would go ahead and select on Chime just like so. And then what we need to do is we need to log in at Chime or whatever bank you're using. So if you're using Chime, then you need to log in with Chime. So let's go ahead and press on continue to log in, and then it is going to take you to the Chime website, and from here you just need to go ahead and log in. And once you logged in, it is going to connect both your bank account to Coinbase, and then with that you're able to go ahead and purchase crypto and stuff like that. And overall, it is just essential. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.